we're ready to put it all together. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to File, New, and this time we're going to select a standard.iam. That's an assembly file. So double click on that. And first we're going to place everything that belongs. So we're going to go to Place, and I want you to go over to wherever you saved everything to. And once in that folder, you want to essentially place in everything, and I think I could just select them all. And just press open, and it should, have all the pieces. And I'm going to drop them all off. So they end up something like that. The only thing I'm going to need two of, though, are the hands. So I'm going to place in an additional Lego hand. And let's see what happens. Okay. To start, we're going to put the head on the body. So go over to Constrain. And for everything here, we're just going to be using the Insert Constraint. The Insert Constraint's located here. Click on that. And I want you to click on the underside of the head. And then click on the circle we created earlier. I'm going to click on the down one. You're going to hear that little snap. And that looks good, so I'm going to press Apply. Next are the arms. So I'm going to click on this outer circle, followed by this arm. You're going to hear that snap. That looks good. Press Apply. Let's move to the next arm. This circle, followed by this. Okay, that's looking good. If it ever turns out like that, like all weird looking, just switch over to the second extrude option, or the second option here, and it should hopefully turn out okay, which it is. Press Apply, even if it looks a little off. Next, let's go ahead and add in the legs. Legs are going to be a little trickier. We're going to have to switch over to Mate. Click on that. And first, we're going to click on this surface, followed by the bottom of the Lego person. It's going to make that snap sound. That's good. Press Apply. And then we have to flush either side of these. So this side with the body. You're going to hear that snap sound. So these two surfaces are flushed. And it was that option that I clicked on. Press Apply. And now we just need to flush this with this, which would be fine, except remember that we essentially reduced the amount. I believe this was about 6.34, and the other one, this was 5.8. So for we have to put in a small offset, and let's just make sure. I believe we're in negatives right now. No, we're in positives. So I'm going to do 6.34 minus 5.8. And I actually could just do that in my head. So that's 0.54. So it's going to be 0.54 divided by 2. And that looks good. I'm going to press Apply. So the waist is in place. Now let's add in the legs. Switch back to Insert. Click on the outer part of the leg. And then click on the inner. And like I said, if it turns out like that, just switch it around. Press Apply. Press Apply. Let's do the same. So the inner part of that and the outer part of the leg. That looks good. Press Apply. And now the hands. So the outer part of the hand. And then we're going to put a small offset here, like that. It's sticking out way too much. So we're going to put an offset. Let's try 0.5, negative 0.5. And I'm actually fine with that. Let me just take a look from the top view. Maybe negative 0.55, just a little bit more. That looks good. Press Apply, and we're going to do the same with this portion here. So click on that, click on this, and then type in negative 0.55, and then press Apply, and then cancel. Okay, so we have our Lego person. To move him, just click on the body once, right click, then go to where it says grounded, press that, and you should now be able to move the legs and the arms and the hands and everything else. Overall, things look really nice. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how we can decorate this. Okay, peace.